Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you almost Cranberry mocktail, and mocktail name is Cranberry Cooler. Very simple mocktail you can try. This is first of all take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. After that you have to squeeze one fresh lemon to the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 to 15 ml of ginger syrup. After that you have to pour 180 to 240 ml of Cranberry juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. You have to shake well. Then you can take any type of fancy glass and you can pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. Okay. After that, you can serve with on straw and you can garnish the mocktail with some any type of fancy ingredients. Then simply you have to fill the glass with soda. This is very simple mocktail you can try. Yes, see how the fancy color came. Cranberry cooler. Then you can decorate it with some mint leaves. Yes, your mocktail is ready. You can try this mocktail, very simple and fancy mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.